Ciao ragazzi, per questo speciale di Halloween ho provato a bucare la mia mano come hanno fatto altri miei colleghi. Vediamo com'è andata.
Fake! It's a fake! You don't fool me! What? No!
L'assistente è svenuto, speriamo non si sia fatto male.
Thanks for like.
È ancora vivo, meno male. Comunque Halloween è la mia festa in costume preferita, amo travestirmi ormai da anni e l'anno scorso siamo andati a Londra e siamo finiti sul telegiornale delle 8 della BBC. Vediamo se mi riconoscete.
Well, tonight's that night for dressing up as ghouls and ghosts and all things scary while listening out for unexplained noises in the dark. That sounds like my house normally, but if you definitely want to see vampires, mummies or zombies, then head to King's Cross tonight. Wendy Hurrell is there and not dressed up, which is a shame, Wendy.
How dare you? It took me ages to get into this. I'm at King's Cross, as you say. Yes, it's a sort of green and moody behind me. There's a gaggle of very scary-looking people. And look at you. I hate to point this out, but you've got a spider on your face.
Yeah, I'm a spider.
There's someone scaring the children in quite a fundamental way. The amazing thing is, this parade gets bigger and bigger every year. And look at the effort that some people go to. I have to ask you, sir, are they your real teeth?
Lui, io sono italiano, I don't speak English.
They're Italian. You've come all the way from Italy to have Halloween in London.
Yes, exactly. We are coming from Italy to experience this great day.
Wow, I mean, that's amazing. I mean, you've put so much effort in. Just look at you all. They do this, they have been doing this for the last few years. There were thousands of pumpkins in 2014. There was a flash mob Michael Jackson Thriller dance last year. This year, we paraded up from the birdcage outside King's Cross to the Granary Square here. And as you can see, there's all sorts of crazy stuff going on. And people have really made an effort to dress up and have a good time. But here, certainly, Halloween is in full swing. Go on, do your scariest, scariest, scariest faces, guys.
Brilliant. Wendy, thanks so much. Trust you to find the one speaking Italian-speaking ghoul. Trust you to find them. But stay down there, Wendy. I'm going to come down trick-or-treating a little bit later. So let's find out the weather forecaster.
Sono italiano, I don't speak English. Sì, il fantasma sono proprio io. Mia moglie ci aveva raccomandato, mi raccomando, adesso che andiamo a Londra non facciamoci riconoscere, infatti. E ora, per chi non si è visto il mio ultimo disegno, eccolo. Intanto io mi guardo qualche foto di qualche Halloween precedente che dopo ve le faccio vedere. E sarò in chat a chattare un pochino con voi.
Thanks for like.
Questo disegno mi è piaciuto molto e, come promesso, eccovi qualche foto dei miei Halloween precedenti, dei miei costumi. Belle, eh? E per finire ci riguardiamo il disegno di Venom. Intanto rimango in chat a sentire le vostre idee per i miei prossimi disegni.
Thanks for like.
La premiera è finita, grazie a tutti ragazzi, vi voglio bene e ricordatevi di visitare la mia pagina Patreon, il link è in descrizione. Vi auguro un Halloween da paura, ciao ciao!
Like if you enjoyed this video and join me on my journey to the top. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to join the notification crew. If you want to learn my drawing technique, I have a great tutorial on Patreon that will give you the skills and the confidence to draw like a master. See you next time, I love you guys, ciao ciao!